Hi guys, I'm Ovi and this is my kitchen. I've got chocolate chip cookie recipe to share with you today, so if you want to know how to cook this, please stick around. Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal de YouTube. Hoy vamos a aprender cómo se preparar galletas con chispas de chocolate. Empezamos con la mantequilla y azúcar moreno y blanco. Oh my god. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies in the best fail-proof way there is to make. So let's get right into it. We're starting off with half and half butter and margarine, half and half white sugar and brown sugar. Just follow me, okay? And then we're going to mix this by hand because we don't want to incorporate too much air into the batter. We want it to be dense and thick. Then I'm just using 1 egg, and I also use the mixture of vanilla essence and butterscotch essence, but very little quantities. You get the quantities and the ratios at the end of the video as usual. So we just want to mix all this up until the batter is basically mixed. The cookie dough is basically mixed. We don't want to incorporate so much air because we don't want it to be fluffy. Okay, I like my chocolate chip cookies dense and chewy. That's how I like them, and soft. So if that's how you like yours, this is a video for you. Here I have baking soda and vanilla powder. I'm just putting them in. I prefer to use baking soda for baking my chocolate chip cookies. Like I said, again, there are a lot of tips I want to share, but the time will not permit me to do so. Here's my flour, which I'm just going to try to mix in bits, and when it gets too stiff for my spatula, then I go in with my hands. Yep, so guys, you have to follow my recipe step by step. The mixtures, all the things I did, like mixing part butter and part margarine, part white sugar and part brown sugar. I'll try to make a chocolate chip tip video, but not now. So just for now, just trust me on this one, okay? Yeah, so here I was just going in with my hands to make sure everything was, mixed in well. This is very easy and you will not have so much trouble at this point. Yeah, the dough is not too sticky. It feels nice. Okay, still mixing. Don't over mix. So I recommend you use your hands or spatula. Don't use a mixer because, like I said earlier, we don't want to incorporate too much air. Here I'm just putting in my chocolate chips into the batter, the dough. I'm just mixing, folding in my chocolate chips. I beg your pardon. I didn't use everything because I'm going to put some on top after chilling this dough. So we're going to refrigerate this after shaping dough. Okay, let's shape it first. Sorry. Guys, this was fun to make. They were amaze balls, trust me. They were really nice. Really nice. They're the perfect, in fact, this recipe maybe looks another anyway. So I just use a spoon to scoop out. I have a big scoop, a large scoop, so I couldn't use my scoop, but if you have a small scoop or a scoop that is the size of the cookies you want, you can use that. Now I shaped them into balls, high balls, because I wanted them to be thick. Chocolate chip cookies tend to spread. In fact, cookies in general tend to spread when baking, so keep that in mind. They're going to come out flatter than you hoped for, so always make your balls tighter. Like, don't roll them flat like cookie shapes. They're just going to flatten up in the oven. So if you want them dense like I do, then just roll them into a thick ball and refrigerate so that at least they keep their shape, and that's going to help you in baking. Please don't skip the refrigeration step. So guys, these are cookies, beautiful cookies after baking for 25 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe to your girl's channel if you aren't subscribed already. See you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.